How to remove payment method from Temu app. Let's get started. Launch your Temu app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the U page. Once you're in the U page, over here you're going to find different options. At the top right corner, you're going to find the settings icon. Click on it. Once you're in the settings page, here towards the option of your payment methods. Now over here you're going to find your save payment method. Now how to remove it. All you have to do is click on that payment method, and then you have to remove all the details such as card number, expiration date and CVV. Once you remove all that, click on the option of done, and just for that your payment method will be updated on Temu. So this way you can easily remove payment method on Temu, or else what you can do is head back. You can select the items that you want to purchase and proceed to checkout. Once you're in the checkout page, scrolling down you're going to find the section of payment methods. From here as well you can easily remove your payment method and select any new payment method and check out. So that's the wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.